Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We're here to talk about how to turn these boring white LED halos into something way cooler. This is a super easy DIY. Here's what you get in the box. You get these cool circuit boards made in China with brand new LEDs in them. You can buy these at a number of online retailers, to include Amazon, a couple of big name stores. You can get it from AliExpress. They're pretty much all the same, to be honest. So unpackaging these, I'm laying them out here. Another thing I picked up is this thermal paste. This is for the back of the circuit boards. So you've got 3 screws on each one of these modules. Most BMWs have these. It's a simple Torx, doesn't need much muscle. Just go ahead and unscrew those 3 screws per module. They should slide right out. Here you go. It should slide right out. There'll be one small connector. You'll squeeze that connector and pull it off. Once you get back over to the workbench, take a look. There's 2 small Torx screws that hold these circuits on. They are held to the housing with a thermal paste, so you'll have to find something to pry those off of there. Again, do not drop these screws. Some have had success with screwdrivers and whatnot. I found it easiest to use this all-purpose putty knife to try to pry these circuit boards off of the housing. Doesn't take much pressure. Eventually they'll pop right off. Now you want to clean off all the thermal paste that's on the back of the housing. I use that same scraper and a little bit of rubbing alcohol to remove the residual. So here's where that thermal paste comes in. We'll basically use this to glue these boards to the housing. You don't need a whole bunch, just a couple dots to get that thing firmly secured. You're going to secure it the rest of the way with the screws. So go ahead and screw those back onto the housing. Don't over tighten, no need to strip them. Next we'll reinstall. Snap the clip back onto the circuit board and lightly slide the housing back into place. Make sure everything lines up before you force it. So you got to install the 3 screws on each one of these housing. Make sure you don't over torque these. You don't want to trip the BMW at this point. In the words of Rob Dyrdek, there you have it. We now have yellow halos or daytime running lights, but there's one problem: those ugly orange turn signals. So let's go head over to BimmerCode and code those things out. First, you're going to go to the front electronic module. Once you're there, let's turn up those halos and make them a little bit brighter. So go to Angel Eye Brightness, low beams, turn them to 50%. Also go to the parking brightness, turn those also to 50%. Now let's head over to US side marker brightness and go from very high down to off. That should turn them off. Here's the finished product. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful or just mildly entertaining, smash that like button, subscribe, tell your friends, and remember, mods don't have to be perfect, they just have to make you happy.